So you're craving fish and chips, you order fish and chips, but have you ever wondered what kind of fish is really in that batter? Well, make sure you guys stick around because we're gonna do one together. So today is your favorite dish, brother.
My favorite.
Your favorite, fish and chips. Can we get an applause? Okay. So today we're making fish and chips, guys. Welcome back. My name is Sean with the Garlic and Butter Guy. Today we're going to be using wild cod. Wild caught cod. Can you say that? Say it fast.
Wild what? No. What was it?
Wild caught cod.
Wild caught cod.
Wild caught cod.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Yeah, okay. So that's what we're going to be using for our fish. And we're also going to be slicing a nice Yukon gold potato into little slices, and we're going to go ahead and fry that. And we're also going to be making a tartar sauce from scratch.
Let's do it.
So we're going to start off with our cod. We have 3 pieces of cod here, and what I'm going to do is take this, and we're going to take the moisture out of it. All right, so go ahead and put this in the little pan. All right, what this is going to do is it's going to dry up. Brother, can you flip that over for me?
No, I'm good.
My brother has a phobia of fish.
You're gonna call me out like that?
He won't eat it. He won't get near it. Nothing. Now that we have the flour on the fish and letting it all absorb, we're gonna go ahead and start making the batter. I have about 1.5 cups of flour. We're gonna go ahead and sieve that through. This is gonna make the actual batter lighter. The actual crispy part of it is gonna be a lot better. So that's the flour. Now we have 2 tablespoons of baking soda. If I could, there we go. Now we have 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Sieve that through. Cornmeal, 2 tablespoons of cornmeal. Goes in. 1 teaspoon of garlic. And if you would like to add some cayenne, go ahead and add that just like that. Couple pinches of salt. Pinch of black pepper, and we mix. To this, we're gonna add our beer, whatever beer you guys like, whatever is your choice, light, dark, doesn't matter. And we're gonna slowly whisk. You want a batter-like consistency on this. You don't want it too thick and you don't want it too thin. Let's go a little bit more. Little bit more. There we go. It's getting a little bit thinner. A little bit more. All right, perfect. So this is, I can't let it go to waste. All right, so now you see the consistency of it. Get a shot of this, brother. It's not too thin and it's not too thick. Perfect. All right, I'm gonna set this aside. I had my oil, it's sitting at about 359. I'm gonna ramp it up just a little bit. We're gonna get it to about 360 to 365, which is perfect for frying on this one. And let's go ahead and start. So here's the fish. I'm gonna slice them into smaller pieces, obviously. Perfect, the oil's sitting at 364 degrees. We're gonna go ahead and put this in our batter. All right, let the excess run off. Go in. No more than a couple minutes. Look at that color. Wow. They look like little puff balls, huh?
Yeah.
That's beautiful. Nice golden brown. And we take it out.
That's all you put it for?
That's it. Couple minutes, bro. Not even a couple minutes. Fish cooks very, very fast. When you have it at that right temperature. All right, so we've taken all the fish out. Bro, try one.
No, I'm good.
Just one,
I'm
please.
Good.
It's not gonna kill you, bro. It's fish.
I'm good.
All right, so he doesn't want one. We're gonna go ahead and set this aside real quick. I'm gonna chop up the potatoes. We're gonna fry it in the same oil, plate it, and then we're gonna make our tartar sauce and we're ready to go. All right, guys, for the chips, We're using this yellow potato. Skin on, no worries. I'm just going to slice them up really thin. However thin you would like it. It just cooks a little faster. Alright guys, as you see, everything's been sliced up. Dry it up a little bit. We don't want water, right? Water is the oil. Water is the enemy to the oil. We don't want anything splashing and we don't want them really fighting inside. Same oil. Chips go in. That right there is the water and oil fighting. When you see that, whatever's left in the potato, you're getting them to fight right there. Once the potatoes are done, we'll go ahead and transfer them here, and I'm gonna lightly season them with some salt, some garlic, and some paprika. And that's gonna go alongside with the fish. So do you, seriously bro, do you really want to tell everybody, tell me why you don't like fish?
I don't want to tell them.
Come on, bro.
Why are you putting me on the spot?
I'm not putting you on the spot. I'm just asking you a question. You're the one recording. You shouldn't be recording right now.
Let's just say somebody that's older than me traumatized me when I was younger with fish.
They chased you with fish.
Pretty much. One of the many stories, yeah.
One of the many stories, yeah. My brother was attacked by fish. Big tuna was chasing him.
Thankfully, it wasn't a cod.
Cheers. Potatoes are done. Let's go ahead and take that out. Now, before I put this on a paper towel, I'm going to go ahead and season it up. Some salt, some black pepper, pinch of garlic powder, and a little pinch of paprika.
Toss it.
Perfect. And let this rest on a paper towel. So I'm gonna set this aside, and then we're gonna go ahead and make the actual tartar sauce, and we're ready to go. Now it's time to make the tartar sauce. Look how fast, simple, easy this is. I have about a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. I'm gonna go ahead and add a teaspoon of dried dill, teaspoon of garlic, and 2 teaspoons of fresh dill pickle. We're gonna give that a mix. I like mine creamy like that. You're gonna get the crunch from the dill. You're gonna get the beautiful flavors from the actual dried dill as well. Beautiful, fresh. All right, and guess what? Just like that, we're ready, guys. We're gonna go ahead and plate this up. I'm gonna bite into that fish. I'm gonna give one to my brother so he can have one too. No?
No.
No, okay. Also, I forgot Mr. Lemon. Cut that in half. We're gonna squeeze a little bit of lemon. Give it a mix.
There's always one thing you have to
Always, bro. It just never fails.
minimum one. Usually it's like 20.
It's okay. Food is still good, though. Let me give this a quick taste.
Don't put your finger back in there.
No.
Wash it with soap.
Ooh, wow. That is bomb. That is bomb. Let's get this thing plated, guys. Oh, wait a minute. Forgot one thing. Your favorite hot sauce. A little bit of that. I'm just going to give a little tiny kick into it.
What'd you say?
I don't know, bro. It's going to be good. That's all I know. All right, guys. We're ready to go ahead and start plating everything. I have this little thingamajiggy, whatever it's called. Put that tartar sauce in there. All right, let's go ahead and plate these babies in. 2. Let's put in some of the potatoes. There you go, guys. Fish and chips with homemade tartar sauce. Absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna dig in, bro. I can't wait no more.
Go ahead.
You good with that? A little bit of that lemon. And I go. Wow. That's amazing. I'll be right back. Hold on.
What about the potatoes? Don't forget the potatoes. Or the chips, sorry.
That's a home run right there. I'm not playing. A little bit of chips. I don't know what else to say. Bro, can we go to break or something?
Oh, okay.
Bro, it's bomb.
Can't be that bomb.
It was bomb. Woo! That was good. Well, there you have it, guys. Fish and chips, freshly made with some homemade tartar. I hope you guys liked it. I loved it. Tasted absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and make sure to stick around. YouTube's gonna recommend you another video from us. Don't forget to ringle-dingle that bell for the notifications. Today we're gonna be making a nice fish, which is we're gonna go ahead and use cod fish. Right here. Blah, 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 blah. Well, there you have it, guys. Fish and chips, freshly made.
What? Fresh and chips?
Fish and
You
chips.
said fresh.
Did I swear I said
play it
fish?
back, I'll
All
listen
right,
to
we'll
it.
play it back. Make sure you guys stick around. Let me try it. I don't know. I give up. I've said things so many times, I get tired.